How to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we cannot connect to your organization error. So if you're facing this problem, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to open up your settings. Once you open now, you just need to simply go with the Windows update or just go with system. And under system, you will have activation option. Just go with activation. Now here you will have the troubleshoot option. You can just simply go with troubleshoot, and if you run the troubleshooter for the activation, then your problem might be fixed. But if you don't have that option or if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you just need simply search for cmd, which is command prompt, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and enter the first command, which is sfc space / scan now, and then hit the enter. And it will begin the system scan, and this process might take some time, so just wait for a few minutes and it will be completed. Once you've done with the scan, you can simply again enter the next command, which is DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health, and then hit the enter. And this process will also take some time. And once you're done with this process, you just need simply again go with the CMD and go with run as administrator, and you just need simply enter some commands again. So the first command is slmgr.vbs space / DLV. Hit the enter and you will get this Windows script host. After a few seconds, you just need to simply go with the product ID or the product key. You will have that right here. And once you have the product key, what you need to do is you just need to simply copy that. And once you've copied, you need to again go with the next command, slmgr.vbs space -ipk, give a space, and then enter your product key. So take your time and enter your product key and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you just need to simply go with the next command. And after that, hit the enter. And the third command goes like slmgr.vbs space -ato, and then hit the enter again. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just open up your command prompt again as an administrator and click on yes. And now you just need to simply enter the two commands, which is the first one is slmgr space / skms space kms8.msguide.com, and then hit the enter and go with the second command, which is slmgr space / and then ato. You'll get the Windows script host. You just need to simply go with OK, and again go with the second command and hit the enter. And after that, again a prompt appears, so you just need to simply go with OK, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't activate Windows on this device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.